welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan, if you don't know me already, and in today's video, just in case you haven't seen by the title, I'm going to be unboxing this month's Glossybox. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'd really appreciate it if you considered hitting that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So this is what July's box looks like, and the theme is Paradise. As you can see, we're back to a patterned box. Last month we had a pink box, and then the month before we had zebra print or leopard print boxes. So Glossybox are really working hard with the packaging. Look at this beautiful artwork, it's so nice. The design team, amazing. Then you have this gold foily script font that says Aloha, and it just looks really sleek and really expensive. So for anyone that doesn't know what Glossybox is, it's a beauty subscription box, and you pay £10 a month and you get 5 items that are always worth a lot more than £10, but it gives you the chance to try out new products, new brands and things. All kinds of different brands work with Glossybox. This is by no means sponsored. Glossybox don't know I'm making this video, and I pay for this with my own money. I'm going to give you honest reviews, absolute honest reviews. So let's get into unboxing it. So if we open it up, every video I struggle to do this. It's like blue on the inside. I love this colour of blue. It is so nice. It's like Tiffany. It's like a Tiffany blue colour. It's so nice. Is it Tiffany blue or Tiffany green? Let me know. I think it's Tiffany blue. And so every month you get this little card that gives you all the information about all the products inside the box, and you get a little sneak peek on the back, some discount codes. And then if you open it up, it looks like this, shows you all the products, tells you a little bit of information about the theme. So if you do see me look down, it's just because I am referring to this, so that you know all the information you need to know about the products. So untying the bow. What shall we start with? So we'll start with this. So this is from a brand called Checker Black. I've never heard of this brand before. This is some glow drops, so it's a highlighting primer for your face, and this is in the shade Rose Pearl, but it says glow drops prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural glow. Apply all over your face using your fingertips. Use before makeup. Be fearless and look fabulous. And in this product you get 20ml of product, and this price is £16. So I'll just swatch a little bit on the back of my hand. Looks very golden. Looks really nice, really pretty. So yeah, definitely a little bit goes a long way. I got quite a lot on my hand then, but this is what it looks like. Gives like a really nice glow. So I'll be interested to see how it soaks in and how it looks in a bit, but we'll see. And it's gone. I think it'll work really nice with my skin tone as well. So next in the Glossybox is some hand cream, and this is by the brand Niobe. And next in the Glossybox is some hand cream. This is by the brand Niobe Cosmetics. I'm really sorry if I just butchered that name. Happen. This is natural and organic, and it's orange juice hand cream. That sounds amazing. And you get, it's quite a big bottle. Like if I compare it to this one, you get quite a lot. And how much do you actually get?
Moments later.
100ml. And you actually get 100ml. That's a great product. That's full size. This one's also full size as well. Previous 2 months, Glossybox have given us full-size products as well, and we've also got full-size products in this box as well. That's brilliant. Brilliant. I'm dying to smell it. Before I tell you more about it, I'm dying to smell this. Oh, it smells just like oranges, obviously. I feel like all I do on my channel is smell stuff. It does, it smells amazing. It smells so refreshing. So it says blending shea butter, chamomile, aloe vera, orange water in this moisturising formula. It smells just like freshly squeezed oranges, which I will agree, it does, it really does. And it revitalises your hands because it's got nutrients and vitamins in it. Packaging's really nice. It has this like a wooden top, that's really nice. Makes things look like super organic, doesn't it? It goes a lot with the brand, the packaging. I wonder if the other packaging for the other products are like this as well. Massage it into your hands and nails throughout the day when required. So the next thing, the third item that you get this month is a bronzer, and this is in the same packaging as the front cover. Couldn't think of the word then, but yeah, these are the same packaging. So this is a bronzer, and this is from Give Me Lala. No, it's not. It's not. It's from Give Them Lala Beauty. Give Them Lala Beauty. I've never heard of this in my life. Never. Packaging's so cute. I love these colours. It's so pretty. And these are cruelty free, which is great. Oh, didn't say it. Back to hand cream. Back to hand cream. Roll back.
Flashback.
This is £11.50.
End of flashback.
Yeah, Give Them Lala Beauty, and this is in the shade Ibiza. So this is what the bronzer looks like. It certainly is deeper than I'd usually go for, but maybe it's one of those bronzers that isn't really pigmented and just goes on like quite light and buildable. And it's got some like sparkles in it. It's got a nice mirror. It's really nice. The packaging feels really sturdy, really nice. So this claims to be a long wearing bronzer. Let's have a look what else it does. Highly pigmented formula. Right. Glides effortlessly on your skin to give a bronze goddess look. I would love that look. Are you going to give me a bronze goddess look? This is £19.50. So these prices are adding up. Good. And this is a full size item as well. Oh, let's give it a swatch. So deep for me. So the fourth item that you get in the Glossy box is from the brand The Beauty Crop, and this is a palm balm, and it's a cheek and lip balm colour. Cheek and lip. Yes, it starts with lip, not cheek. Lip and cheek balm and colour. Lip and cheek balm and colour. And this is cruelty free and vegan. So this is what it looks like. It's really small, really small. You get 4 grams of product in here. So it says butter lip and cheek balm, The Beauty Crop London. This is in the shade Mauve Wave. Mauve Wave? I like that, Mauve Wave. So let's just open it up. That's what it looks like. It looks like you get no product, like, it's all just glass, isn't it, really? Swatch, as always. Because I like this kind of stuff, and I'll use this. And that's what it looks like, right there. Yeah, I feel like I'll use this. 90% natural plant-based, including oils, coconut oils and apricot oils. Does it smell? No. Not only conditions and hydrates your pout, but also doubles up as a creamy blush to add a fresh, rosy blush to your complexion. Apply to your cheeks, lips and eyelids, or blend with your fingertips for a natural, radiant finish. Nice product and really nice packaging. And this is £18. That's a lot for 4 grams. Well, that's why I like getting the glossy boxes, because I get these items all for £10, so I can't complain. The final item in this month's glossy box is a sheet mask, and I love getting sheet masks in glossy box. This is from the brand Coco Star, and it's a strawberry sheet mask. I think this is like a Korean brand. Oh my god, it has strawberries on it. This is gonna look amazing on my face, like with like strawberries all over my face. Like fruit slice sheet mask sheet. I call it a sheet mask and they call it a mask sheet. That's throwing me. Fruit slice mask sheet. Sheet mask. Say hello to your fresh, healthy summer skin thanks to Korean face masks infused with either natural strawberry or watermelon. I have strawberry. They provide you with your complexion an intense burst of moisture and hydration that helps protect your skin barrier, feels so refreshing. And they should be £4, so almost half of the box is one item. Yeah. Absolutely. Love getting face masks. So that's everything in July's glossy box, and I actually paid £10 for this, and the whole total of everything added up is £69.30, so you get all that for just £10. In the description down below is a friend referral that will get you 20% off your first box, just in case you wanted to try it, and I do get a little bit of kickback from that. I think I said this in my previous video, I'm not sure what I get, but I know that I do get a little bit of something. So watching my YouTube video, and make sure you hit that like button if you did enjoy this video, and I'd love it if you considered hitting that subscribe button, and why not leave me a comment down below. Did you get the strawberry one, or did you get the watermelon one, or which one would you have preferred? Strawberry or watermelon? And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!